In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious cheeseburger slider recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 12 dinner rolls, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1.5 cup of shredded cheese, 6 slices of cheese, 1 onion diced, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in our oil and our onions and saute them. Now we're going to add in the garlic and saute for a couple of seconds, making sure not to burn it. Add in the ground meat and cook thoroughly. Season with the salt and the pepper. We're going to remove our excess grease into a glass bowl. Add in the mayonnaise and distribute evenly. We're going to remove this into a bowl and set it aside for later. We're going to place our dinner rolls on a baking sheet and remove the tops. We're going to cover the bottom of our dinner rolls with the sliced cheese. Over this, we're going to add the meat we made earlier and distribute evenly. Over our meat, we're going to add our shredded cheese. We're going to add the tops of our dinner rolls back on top of our sliders. We're going to melt our butter in the microwave completely. Brush the melted butter over top of our sliders. While the butter is still wet, we're going to sprinkle the tops with sesame seeds. We're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our cheeseburger sliders are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!